Manhattan R160Q, and we should be having now, there's a 1 R46 on the F today. Just pulled into West 8, should be leaving now. If not, they took it out of service at Stillwell, but I'm assuming that this is that 46F. I saw it earlier at 2nd Avenue, and yeah, there it is, R46 Manhattan Bound F departing West 8 New York Aquarium. It's been said that at least 5 to 7 sets should be on the F this winter, because the third rail shoes can withstand the ice much better than the third rail shoes on the R160s. So over here, correction, Trump Village, not Trump Towers, in Brighton Beach, Brooklyn.